everyone, so here we go again with yet another incident where power and privilege have clearly gone a bit too far. This time, it's about a federal lawmaker, Alexander Mascot Ikwechegh, representing Abia North and South Federal Constituency, who is in the spotlight for all of the wrong reasons as we speak. Here is what went down. It all started when a bolt delivery rider arrived at Ikwechegh's house in Maitama, Abuja to deliver a package, a simple snail package. So, the delivery guy calls Alexander to come out to collect it, which honestly is a normal practice in the delivery world, right? But things took a nasty turn here. Alexander apparently felt the delivery guy was being rude or disrespectful, thinking it was beneath him to step outside to pick up his package. Instead of just letting it slide or talking it out, Alexander allegedly decided that a verbal lashing wasn't enough. He slapped the poor delivery guy 3 times, no less. To make matters worse, he allegedly smashed the guy's phone, tore his shirt, and then went on a power trip and arrested him afterward. As if that wasn't already shocking enough, a good number of people online actually sided with the lawmaker, arguing that the delivery rider should have just delivered the package right to the doorstep without question. Are you actually in support of this kind of thing? It's a classic case of blaming the victim, isn't it? A lot of people are ignoring that no one deserves to be slapped, threatened, or have their property destroyed, regardless of any attitude or disagreement. Now, very dark man and activist has stepped in, promising to fight for justice. It may take an uphill battle, but there's still hope. Now, to the good news. The Federal Capital Territory Police Command has responded, arresting Alexander and detaining him at the Maitama police station while they investigate. It raises big questions though, doesn't it? How many other cases are out there of regular Nigerians being mistreated by people like this in power? And for every case that makes it to the news, how many more just disappear? It's disturbing that such incidents can happen, and worse, that some people justify them. Let's hope justice is served and that this sends a message that no one is above the law. You are watching Eboyibiku TV. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do so. Like this video and share. I will see you in our next video.